Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today we'll be making strawberry daiquiris with the Instant Ace Plus blender. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 2 cups of light rum, 6 cups of frozen strawberries, the juice of 1 large or 2 small limes, and a 1/4 cup of sugar. We'll start by slicing and juicing our limes into a bowl, being careful to fish out any seeds. Next, we'll add our strawberries to the Instant Ace Plus blender. Then we'll add our 2 cups of rum, our 1/4 cup of sugar, and the juice from our limes. If you'd like to make a non-alcoholic version of this, substitute 2 cups of Sprite for the 2 cups of rum. We're using frozen strawberries, so we don't water this down with ice. Once we've added all of our ingredients, we'll close the lid on the blender. Then we'll hit the smoothie button and hit start. After about 1 minute and 40 seconds, you'll hear a series of 10 beeps. This means that your daiquiris are done. We'll remove the lid and pour our daiquiris into glasses for serving. If you'd like, you can garnish these with fresh strawberries or slices of lime. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.